August 23rd, 1980, morning session continued.
Pleasure or pain, these are the aspects in consciousness. So when you think of pleasure or pain, pleasure is always accompanied by pain. And what is pain? The very idea that you are born, this birth principle, that is the consciousness itself is the beginning of pain, that itself is the pain. And the other side of the coin is pleasure. So the highest pleasure means when this very medium or the very aid which results in so-called pleasure or pain subsides, that could be the highest pleasure.
कशातून निर्माण झालं का निर्माण झालं की नको बरं जन्म नावाला.
Now he takes us back to that oft-repeated question. You go back to the source out of which this consciousness, this birth symbol has come up. What we term as birth, this consciousness has appeared. Due to what and why and how?
मला परमार्थाच्या प्रथम वस्तूमध्ये ज्ञान मिळाला. परमार्थाचा प्रथम वस्तू जन्म संज्ञेचं कारण आणि साहित्य तेव्हा त्याला कळतं. तेव्हा त्याला प्रथम वस्तू शिक्षिंची असं वाटतं. एक म्हणतात त्याच्या प्रकाशाने परम योग्यतेचं परम योग्यते व्हायचं पण प्रथम वस्तू म्हणजे शिशी असं म्हणून
If a jnani in the course of his spiritual search, in the earlier stage, he says, when he tries to understand this principal consciousness, its very source, its very cause, he just wants to escape, like something dirty, something not right. That is the first stage. But in the second stage, we understand the significance of that birth principle, because it contains, everything is contained in that consciousness. That is the second stage.
इथे जास्त बसलं तर आपली प्रकृती जास्त चांगली नाही. प्रकृती जीवन राहत नाही लक्षात. जे समजा सगळं धर्मानं जीवन राहतं, शाश्वत राहतं. सत्य शाश्वत राहतं, सगळं धर्म स्वरूप असं पाणी संपवलं पाणी घ्यायला नाही.
The religion of the sages, of the sadhus, is to abide in that true nature, in that Chaitanya state.
Sages abide in that.
In his internet. She wanted Maharaj to work overtime because she feels if we continue our question and answer, Maharaj is always very energetic. Come on, you put it.
That was the answer to this question when he said that the true nature of the sages, their consciousness is permanently in the manifest. They do not depend on this bodily health in order to sustain themselves. हे शिक्षण आहे, हेच तेजस्वी शिक्षण ज्याला कथा उपनिषदामध्ये तो 8 वर्षाचा बाळ त्याला सांगितलं की मी तुला मृत्यूला देऊन टाकीन. त्याबरोबर तो म्हणाला की पुष्कळ माझ्या आधी गेले आणि आहे हे मृत्यूपासून भय अलग करणं, मृत्यूचं भय या कॉन्शियसनेस म्हणजे जाणीवेतून अलग करणं हेच शिक्षण आहे खरं
हो.
या जीवनामध्ये, आणि ते मिळत नाही लहानपणापासून. तर त्याचा काहीतरी मुलांना आपल्या देशातल्या तरी 8व्या वर्षी त्याला जेव्हा सुरू झालं, आता हेच शिक्षण आहे जपानमध्ये, हाराकिरीमध्ये.
हो हो.
परवा कधी म्हणजे
23rd August 1980, evening session begins.
सकाळी किती करून देणार? हो.
Yes. And that's the difference between God's grace and free will. And God's grace and free will. Free will. The fact that you are alive, you are, that itself is the grace of God. And all the activities which happen through you is the expression of the grace. In the case of certain mistakes occurring, and it may be due to helplessness or due to certain compelling circumstances, then what happens? जेव्हा आमच्याकडनं आमच्या हातात काहीतरी चुका वगैरे घडतात किंवा परिस्थिती वगैरे विरुद्ध असते, मग अशा ह्याला काय म्हणावं?
त्यावेळेला ध्यान करावं. देवाचं बीज तुझ्या हृदयात आहे म्हणून तू जिवंत असल्याचा अनुभव आहे. देवाचं बीज मावलं म्हणजे जिवंत असतो. हे झाल्यावर ठेवून तू देवाचं ध्यान कर.
In such situation, when something bad happens, or you are in a bad situation, remember that you are living, you are, that I am, like that, you are, it's merely because of the grace of God. If the grace of God is not there, then you are-ness will not be there. So remember that you are itself is the grace of God. So remember that you are, which represents the grace of God. When we do it, physical quantity involved in that takes us intensity, or it's with the heart that it, say, mechanical repetition, or say, having saying it many times, though the mind does not agree to do it.
57
Limited to some time. जपाच्या संख्येला महत्व, यांत्रिक तऱ्हेने म्हटलं त्याला महत्व, की हृदयातनं थोडं म्हटलं त्याला महत्व.
तुझ्या शब्दाला महत्व आहे. श्वासाला महत्व आहे.
All the significance of reciting japa lies in your faith in the japa. You must have faith first.
तुझ्या आत्मरूपाचं आत्मरूपाची जपून होते, हे जपाचं फळ आहे.
The result of japa
आत्मरूपाची जपून होते, जपाचं फळ आहे.
your self-identity is nourished, is sustained because of japa. You follow japa? Recitation of sacred name. In Marathi, japa, japne, to conserve, to preserve. Rate is more important. During that process, during that time, when you are not able to identify, no, your senses are wrong. Whatever you do, first of all, you mean mechanical. Then you must have experience. Then faith. Like that, get more intensity. ते म्हणतात जग पहिल्यांदा यांत्रिकाने होणार आणि मग अनुभव श्रद्धा होणार.
पण त्याचं आत्माचं जग होईल का? तंत्रामधलं आत्माचं जग होईल का?
If you have no life, if there is no soul in the recitation of japa, would it be called it japa? If you don't recite soulfully, then how can it be japa?
तुला खूप म्हणावा राष्ट्रीय काम ध्यानाला बस.
He says, do plenty of dhyana yoga, meditation. Develop it to such an extent that you are able to sit for 4 hours. Do meditation more and more. I will request them to stay. He says, I can't explain why. And some people, although they would like to stay, I will say you go.
ज्ञानाचा प्रभू ज्ञानाकडे म्हटलं गुरुभक्ती नको. गुरुभक्ती म्हणून गुरुभक्ती म्हणून ज्ञानाची भक्ती घेतो. त्याच्यावर वाढूच नाही पण जेव्हा आपल्या म्हटलं गुरु चांगला मेला तो काळ असं पण म्हणतोय.
There are various types of seekers. Some come exclusively for knowledge. They are not interested in the person who delivers. Least interested. Once they get the knowledge, they get away. Their job is done. Some people, they want knowledge, but for them, the priority is Guru Bhakti. Devotion to the Guru first, and incidentally they collect knowledge. He said like that, there are various types of seekers.
देवभक्ती मामाच
Oh.
गुरुभक्ती कुठं पण होतं.
He said there are some great sages who in that seeking stage, seeker stage, they used to do devotion or worship of a god only for name's sake. But the intensity was for Guru Bhakti. And because of their intense Guru Bhakti, they reached such a status.
गुरुभक्ती गुरुभक्ती प्राप्ती म्हणजे ज्ञान.
When the approach of being done, he says, the predominance of Guru Bhakti, devotion to the Guru, is predominant. And then, incidentally, she gets knowledge. And Guru Bhakti in due course turns into Jnana Bhakti. So starting with Guru Bhakti.
देव त्याची भक्ती.
The one who is doing devotion to a Guru. To such a person, even the God is devoted.
बोलला नाही लोकांचे रोज हजारचे रोज खायचे काय ठरवलं ना मग किती दिवसानं ठरवायचं. बांगलाचा कंटाळा आला रोज करूच तो 5 किलोमीटरचा फायदा आला होता. काय करायचा आपल्याला पुस्तक होती कमवणार हे कमावणं त्यांचं आहे काय होते त्या जगात. त्यांना जे मोठा खरे आहे माझं पण काय रोज त्याने दावे आमच्या गुरुभर नफा नाही नोंदवासारखे माझा करता तू वालो आदर करतो मला असं दिलं पण अपेक्षा एवढी नाही त्याचा मला आज ना उद्या काय उपयोग होईल हे कल्पना नाही. उपयोग मला होईल ही भावना आता जेव्हा सांगतो
अनेक जीव उद्धरणार आहेत.
हा
तुम्ही असल्याने अनेक जीवांचा उद्धार होणार आहे.
तो त्याचा धर्मच आहे तो नाही त्याचा.
खरं आहे की नाही? तुमच्या सुनबाईने हे सांगितलं.
म्हणून आहे त्याचा सभा धर्म आहे. सच्चा आहे. तो जो माणसं ते लावो त्याला कोणाला पाहिजे असेल ते म्हणून शेवटी त्याला माझा म्हणून
ज्ञानेश्वर.
कोणाला हवं त्याला हवं त्यांचं. पण खराचे गणपती सांगतो कुठलं बघायचं तू जाऊ नये. खराचे गणपतीने सांगतो इथं म्हणायचं तुम्हाला. पण त्याला मिळतं समज त्याच्यावर करतो. तुला मिळाले ना त्याला मिळतं त्याचा निर्णय तुला तो आहे.
पण ज्ञानेश्वरने असं म्हटलं म्हणून काय तसं काय होत नाही. आहे ते तसंच आहे.
चुकून ठेवतो
खरं आहेत आणि चांगले पण आहेत ते तेवढंच आहे. तसंच चाललंय.
विश्व चैतन्य म्हणे भर कधी
नाही.
शांतता करता
हो.
त्याचा करता करून नाही. तुला मोठं वाचायचं होतं कसं होत माझी मुलं खाल्ली होती.
Maharaj started the talk because eat against sleep and all this only day is going on. I had had enough of this. I have no expectation out of this world. I am not going to achieve, attain and possess anything out of this world. Because that very consciousness out of which the world is created, I am fed up of this consciousness and I want to get rid of this consciousness.
हो पण कोणाचा सहवासामध्ये व्हायला मागत कोणाच्या
Nevertheless, he says, people are visiting this place, I treat them with respect, I reply their doubts and questions. But it doesn't mean that I expect them to come daily. Although they may come here, it doesn't mean that I am seeking their association. I would like to be alone.
तेवढं पास करायचं. आजारपणाबद्दल काय करायचं.
Whatever natural experiences you encounter, just accept them. Just be with them. Don't try to alter anything. Don't try to modify them. Just accept them as they come.
हे कधीच नाही होतो तुम्ही आता कधीच नव्हतं. आता जे आहे ते कधी असणार नाही.
Oh.
आणि तुम्ही नव्हे.
Whatever is today, that never was. And whatever is today, it will never be in future. This is knowing all this game of consciousness or Maya, this Jnaneshwar, in his final valedictory prayer before he took Samadhi, he prays to God and says, let the desires of all be fulfilled. Any type of desire, let them be fulfilled, he says. And then, let the bad people be punished. And let good intentions may develop in the heart of people. Like that he said. So I told him, in spite of that prayer, sum total of these bad things and good things, there is no change. The total quantum is same. Because finally, all this play of good things or bad things, the sum total of it is an illusion only. And there is nobody responsible for the creation. It is spontaneously it has come about, and finally it is an illusion. So there is no question of rectification or improvement in that. It will go on in its own way.
जगाच्या उत्पत्तीला जगात बीजाच्या वाचे सगळा कल्पना
So many sages, Japi, Tapis, that is spiritual seekers of various orders, they have come and gone. But I raise no objection to whatever they preach or the way they behave. I have nothing to say about them. He said, I have come to such a conclusion that world is spontaneously there without any seed. Its creation is seedless. But in the world, it's all full of seeds only. Recreation, procreation or recreation is going on there.
तर ज्ञान झाल्यावर तुम्हाला जगाची तुच्छता वाटली असेल. तुम्हाला सगळं ज्ञान झाल्यावर या जगाची तुच्छता वाटली असेल नाही तुम्हाला. तुच्छता हे शूद्र आहे, ते काही नाहीच आहे, ते मग काय तिच्यात आहे.
माझा मुवा बिया वाचतो नाही शब्दाचा अर्थ कसा ज्याचा अर्थ नाहीच आहे. कसून आमची तेवढी मानलं आहे. कशाला म्हणायची चिन्हच काय जग पडतंय जग म्हणायचं का आमची जिन्नस काय जग म्हणून तुझा म्हणूनच नाही
नुसतं भासमान आहे.
Conjecture that since Maharaj is Jnani, so Maharaj must be despising. All this world is something very mean, very low. That's what she asked Maharaj. He says that question does not arise because from his state he says the world is not. He says, you point to me, where is the world? What is the world? You point out to me. Can you lay your finger and say, this is the world? The world is not, it's a mere appearance.
झाल्यावर इतक्या भयंकर प्रवृत्तीच्या लोकांशी आपण कसे वागू शकतात. ज्ञान तुम्हाला प्राप्त झाल्यानंतर काही वाईट, काही चांगले, काही असे, काही लोभी कसे, त्या नाना जातीचे लोकांचा सहवास आपल्याला झाला तर आपण कसं वागू शकतो तशा लोकांशी.
आपण नाणीपणे माणसा झालेला असल्यामुळे त्याला परवडतो. स्वतः आपण नाणीपणे माणसा झाला असल्यामुळे परवडतो.
तुम्हाला असंच
आपण काय केलं आहे त्याला दुःखाचं मला वाईट होणार आहे. पण आपण पाणी नाही झाल्यानंतर नाणीपणे नाही झाले अरे नाही जमलं. आपण काहीतरी असं तर आपलं थोडं वाईट बघावं लागलं काय मी आपल्याकडे काय असलं तर आहे. अंग कपडा असं त्याला नसतील
हो.
रंगसूत्र जोडणे त्याला का पकडणार तुला चरच काढून द्यावं लागेल. मुलांची गोष्ट नाही पण कपडा म्हणजे काही असला पाहिजे मी काय नव्हतं.
She asked a very sympathetic question.
Don't say like this.
Not sympathetic, because she was wondering, having attained knowledge, the first of all, there is no question of attainment of knowledge. Having attained knowledge, she tells Maharaj, how is that, you have been able to deal with people of various natures? Some fellows might be very bad, some people are obsessed by their mind, some people good. How could you deal with all of these such persons? So Maharaj said, who is to deal? Suppose I am the Jnani, I have no pose, no stance, no set form of my own. If I had some set form of mine, it was difficult to accept or coalesce with anybody. Since I don't have any form, by nothingness, I have become the subtlest. So I can fit into anything, in any situation. Then he said, suppose a man is rich, he is wearing lot of ornaments, lot of rich clothes, and if he moves in the street, for him there is a danger, because he is wearing so many ideas, concepts, and he is moving about that he is somebody, he is a rich man. He is afraid of moving in the street. A naked fakir, who moves in the street, he has nothing to lose. So having lost everything, I have nothing more to lose. So I can encounter any situation and I can fit into any situation. So long as you wear a name and a form, all these problems will be there. In the absence of name and form, there are no problems.
औषधाची जमीन म्हणते गेली अनुकाल होत तसंच त्याची जमीन म्हणते गेली आम्हाला आम्हाला क्लिअरच होतं आम्हाला चालूच नाही अतुलच्या जमिनीला काय आम्हाला काय आहे
The advantage of using a name and a form.
आम्हाला
Suppose I had lot of landed property, with farms, etc. Then I had to worry about at the time of rains, whether I have tilled the ground or not, whether the seeds are there or not. All those worries would have been there. Since I have lost that farm, I have no worry.
नामरूप असंच जपायचं नामरूप नाही म्हणत त्याला तुमच्या जमीन सारखं सर्वकाळ नंतकाळ देवकाळ धर्मकाळ
So long as you stick on to a name and a form, you have to worry about.
त्याच्यात धर्माची काळजी जास्त आहे हे पण म्हणा आपण तत्व कसा माग सगळं होत नाही हळूहळू होता रूप नाम नाम नाही रूप नाम आकार नाही नामरूप म्हणजे जात पात नाही नामरूप नाही जन्म म्हणत आता
He said, in this spiritual pursuit, you gradually lose your form. And as the form is shed off, the name also disappears.
काम घडवता येतात अच्छा या विषयाचं सगळं दिवाळ काय
हो
आत्मविषयाचं सगळं आत्मा पाहिजे त्यांना बाकीचे विषय आहे ते मिळाले ते मिळाले याचं दिवाळ काय सगळं
There are customers and customers who gain and possess something in the name of knowledge also, and even in the name of spiritual knowledge. But nobody is a customer for the real, true self-knowledge.
संसार
संसार प्रिय.
पण नंतर तो जन्मचा कोणाचे झाले कोणाचं मत जायचं वाचून बांधायचं तो मग घरातच बांधायचं
हो.
त्याच्या बाजूला साधू पडलं गाव
हो.
त्याच्या बाजूला
मात्राच्या बाजूला.
त्या वारसांचे काळ झालो माणसाला पटेल पडला वाचून 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 मग मागतो म्हणतो वाचून चाल खाऊन चालू बघतो आहे आणि त्याचं तूच मला आहे मग माझं पाणी
हो.
अरे देवा.
ही जीवाची बुद्धी बघा
हा.
जन्म संसार करा सगळं काय झालं पण आणखी खुटाला पोचतो तर त्याला चाललाय का खुटाला म्हणतात
हो. कुठं
ही वृत्ती आहे माणसाची माझ्याशिवाय कोणी नाही आता तुम्हाला आहे आता प्राण झाला तर म्हणजे खुटाला खातो खातो तर मग त्याला आवडलं पण म्हणजे त्यावेळी सोपा आहे भोगणं पण लक्षात
हीच वेळ काय सांगितली.
He is telling about the normal tendency of a person. He narrates a story. There was an old man, quite well off. He had his family life very satisfying, all worldly possessions, and he lived about 100 or 125 years. And now he is on deathbed in his village house. And on the deathbed, normally in the villages, even the cattle shed is attached to the main building itself. So you can watch from the bedroom and there is the cattle shed. So even on the deathbed, he was not thinking something very noble. He was not contemplating something very high. He was looking at the calf. A calf was there. And the calf was chewing a broomstick. So he was worried about the broomstick getting damaged. So he was shouting, just as he was picking the bucket. He was saying the broomstick, the broomstick. So take care of the broomstick. He died after. Broomstick, he death is last.
काय मार्ग
The yardstick to measure the progress of a seeker.
त्याला 5 वजनाचं वजन करता आलं
काय काय
खूप अशक्त होता
हो.
तेव्हा हळूहळू स्वतःचं 5 वजन होते बरं तुम्ही कळून की नाही असं ज्ञान तुम्हाला होते
He was a very weak man, he was not able to walk. Gradually, he started getting strength and he started walking. So he knows that he got the strength, is it not? Said, the indication of your progress are shown by your disinclination for association, normal association. You don't like associating with normal people. Your desires and expectation get less and less. These are some of the indications what Maharaj had said.
महाराज 24 hours we have to do it. I'm supposed to right now. So 4 hours I just slept. He said, but in other words, I mean, rest of the day he tries to keep their God consciousness or tries to engage himself in good activities. Is it enough if he
आपण सांगितलं 4 तास पर्यंत ध्यान करा म्हणून आता ते 4 तास एकदम जमणार नाही मग आम्ही बाकीच्या वेळी काय म्हणजे काही चांगले सत्कृत्य करावी का देवाची आठवण ठेवावी
मिनिट वाढवा ना
ही डेव्हलप
मला 1 मिनिट होती
वर्षात जमेल 5 तास
रोज 1 मिनिट वाढवलं तर 3 दिवसांनी तुमची जर्नी
3 दिवसांनी 3 मिनिटं झाली. 30 दिवसांनी 30 मिनिटं, अर्धा तास.
आजचा 1 मिनिट आणि आजचा 2 लागले, मग 3 दिवसाची किती झाली? नुसता 3 दिवसाची मिनिट झाली.
1, 2, 3, 6 मिनिटं झाली. डेरी 6 मिनिटं झाली. आता 1 मिनिट, उद्या 2 मिनिटं, परवा 3 मिनिटं, 6 मिनिटं झाली.
म्हणजे की खरं किती लागले?
गुळा काही नाही.
1 मिनिट लागला.
Daily increase by 1 minute. Today you sit for 1 minute, tomorrow another minute, that extra, that means 2 minutes, third day 3 minutes, after 30 days 30 minutes.
काम इंग्लिशला उठला होता. अच्छा तुला काम इंग्लिशला उठला. 5 मिनिट असा आला.
Today you fix your alarm for 4 minutes, tomorrow for 5 minutes. Like that we increase, go up to 4 hours, to 40 minutes. Challenge. आम्ही मिस्टरला अर्धा तास वाढत वाढत गेलो, त्यामध्ये म्हणजे लक्ष नसताना म्हणजे यांत्रिक होणार ते, असं होणे म्हणलं.
कंपून भूक लागल्यानंतर कसं करतो? कंपून भूक लागली आहे म्हणजे ध्यान कसं असतं? अन्नावर तसंच नाही.
He says you must have that intense hunger for spirituality. When you are really hungry for food, your meditation is all on food only. Similarly, you must have the spiritual hunger for good meditation.
एखाद्या मुलगा सत्तर त्याच्यामध्ये लाखो संख्या आहे.
हो.
खूप 5 नाही. म्हणजे
Hunger means intense need. You must have that intense need to get the self-knowledge or spirituality. Your perception you get through 5 organs. That is Pancha Rupa Rasa Gandha. That is perception, sight, listening, taste, etc. Permutation, a combination of that multiplies into a great figure, a great number. So accordingly your needs also multiply.
पाण्यासाठी जशी माती प्रमाणते ऑक्सिजन म्हणतो असा तुकारा माता
He said, just like the fish out of water struggles for water, similarly you must struggle for spiritual self-knowledge.
पाण्याचं पण ते पाहिजे.
It is gasping for water, it wants water, the fish. Similarly, you must feel that frantic need for the self-knowledge.
अच्छा भाऊ कॉफी म्हणू लागू कमाल उघडलं नंतर या गोष्टी अशा सांगतो. देवा पण तिथं सुद्धा माया जमती.
When out of intense hunger for spirituality or self-knowledge, the door is open, the floodgate is open, then you start rejecting everything right from this gross stuff up to Ishvara state, up to your own consciousness. You reject everything, you discard everything, you shed off.
नामदेवाने व्हावेच जिंदगी नाम नामदेवाने आत्मा नष्ट ठेवून दिलं. देव नामदेवाने देव सुद्धा नामदेवाने परमब्रह्मा.
He says in worldly life, with the power of money you can purchase anything. By donating money you get everything. Similarly, while donating the self, you get the Brahman state. And when you donate the Brahman state, you get the Parabrahman state. In the first stage you get God. That is the Ishvara state. That is the manifest. You become the manifest consciousness. In the second or the last stage, you give up the consciousness also. You surrender the consciousness also. And in the process you are the Parabrahman. You must have a deep, intense hunger for self-knowledge.
24th August 1980 morning.
काहींची गरज आहे. मी आहे या गुणाला जाणीव या काहींची गरज आहे. तसं चैतन्याला पण काही सर्व काय 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 असतील त्याची काय गरज आहे.
चैतन्याला साहित्य साधनाला पंचभूत रसाची गरज आहे. पंचभूत रसाची गरज आहे. सर्व विषय पंचभूत रसाचा बनलेला आहे. पंचभूत रसाचा अंतर्यामी जाणीव गुण आहे. जाणीव गुण सर्व व्यवहार जाणतो किंवा व्यवहार करते प्राणशक्ती आहे. प्राणशक्ती बरोबर वाचाशक्ती आहे. वाचाची 4 संख्या आहे. प्राणाचा 5 संख्या पंचप्राण म्हणून आहे. म्हणजे कसं किंवा प्राणशक्ती वाचाशक्ती आणि ज्ञानशक्ती व्यवहार व्यवहार याच्यात चालतो. याच्यामध्ये तुमचा नमुना नाही. भक्ती नमुना याच्यामध्ये नाही. भक्ती भरपूर याच्यामध्ये आपला नाही. त्यांनी जाणलं तर तिथे मग त्याने व्यापार झाला.
त्यांचे मला काय वाटतं की चैतन्य जे म्हणतो ना आपण चैतन्य व्यक्त चैतन्य हे काहीतरी देहातीत आपलं आहे, निराळं आहे
अशी
ते देहाशिवाय आहे. ते सदाशिवांना देहाशिवाय आहे. जेव्हा पंचमती रसाचा आकार म्हणतो तेव्हा त्याच्यामध्ये सुद्धा ते आहे. आकार नसताना ते आहे. पण आकार नसताना तेव्हा ओंकार आहे. अंकार वाटतो
It is there, but it does not have that I-amness. Touch of I-amness is not there. For the touch of I-amness, this food body is very necessary.
तुमच्या प्रश्नाचं उत्तर काय मिळालं तुम्ही सांगा.
Problem I posed was, Maharaj has always been saying that the consciousness, the I amness in this body is connected with the body because the body provides the sustenance to this I amness. And it lasts as long as that sustenance is there. At the same time, yesterday he was telling us that Chaitanya, which is also consciousness but perhaps non-personal, manifest.
तुम्ही सगळं पुढे बसा. माझ्या
That Chaitanya, when I asked how to recognize Chaitanya, he had
मध्ये बसते.
Maharaj had replied that Chaitanya is to be understood as the combination of the prana shakti, that is the power of the prana, vital force, the jnana shakti, that is the knowledge, and the shabda shakti, which is the mind and vacha and all. So I wanted to know, today's question was that if Chaitanya is all pervading and it consists of really all these powers of various kinds, and yet it is the individual consciousness is something which is connected with a body. For this universal kind of consciousness, is there a body? Is there a universal body, as it were, or a combination of bodies for the universal consciousness? Well, Maharaj said, as I understood him, Maharaj said that the essence of the 5 elements constitutes, as it were, the sustenance of the sustenance of the universal consciousness. Does it have a body? its universal consciousness itself does not have any body. And as what just now explained, the universal consciousness becomes manifest body-wise, as it were, whenever bodies come into the picture. Yeah. म्हणजे एक मला हे विचारायचं होतं, आपण ज्या जन्मसंज्ञा आणि याचा उद्भव, ज्ञानाचा उद्भव, जाणीवेचा उद्भव कसा होतो, हे या शरीराशीच म्हणजे उद्भव तर शरीराशीच संलग्न आहे, पण त्या व्यापक चैतन्याशी सुद्धा या जाणीवेचा संबंध असेलच.
वेगळेपणा नाही, तुमचा वेगळेपणा त्याच्यावर आला शरीराचा आत्मपणा. शरीराचा आत्मपणा म्हणजे तुमचं काय आहे, शरीराचा आत्मपणा तुम्ही ओळखले की शरीराचा आत्मपणा मी चैतन्य जाणतो, शरीराचा आत्मपणाचं मला बंधन नाही, मी चैतन्य मला अखिल जणांचा अवघा वायू आहे. काय तसे बोलत कायच्या बाहेर गेला तो वायू आहे. वायुशिवाय चैतन्य आहे कुठे? अग्नी तुम्ही पेटवता, वायूला अग्नी पेटव, अग्नीला वायूला ज्वाळा मिळणार नाही, अग्नी पाहिजे. तसंच ते कार्यामध्ये जाणीव
Without knowing this, and the consciousness embodied in the body, has it got any connection? It is an intimate connection. It is a continuum from the consciousness, individualized consciousness into manifest consciousness is the continuum only. He gave an example. You have got the vital breath. It is air outside. It is universal air. When you breathe in, it is your vital force. You claim it as yours. When it is entrenched into the body, it is your prana. It is individualized now. Now that very prana, when it goes out, it is immediately universal. Now this consciousness is subtler than the air also. Now just imagine, earlier he said also, that prana, the air is very necessary for a flame. Similarly, this air is very necessary for the sustenance of this I am, this consciousness. When it is entering into the body, it is individual. When it goes out, something like the air going out and becomes universal, then the consciousness is also through the conveyance of air, suppose it is taken out, it is manifest. So it is the bridge, this consciousness is the bridge for us individuals to transmit ourselves into manifest consciousness and finally lose our individuality. It is continuum only. There is no separation.
या
पुढे सांगितलं ते जीवात्मा आणि परमात्मा हा जो संबंध आहे तसंच त्याच्या
हे अक्षर तुम्ही फक्त जाणता, जीवात्मा वा परमात्मा ही अक्षर तुम्ही आम्ही जाणतो.
August 24th, 1980, morning session continued.
हे कसं जाणता येणार, काय येणार नाही, ते तुमचं आपल्या वेगळं नाही. आपल्या वेगळे असेल तर जाणतो, ते तू कसं भारी असेल, आपला वेगळं जे नाही ते कसं जाणणार. आकाशाला गेला तुझ्या घर कुठे आणि माझं घर कुठे, आकाश काय जबाब देणार, सगळीकडे जाय आकाश. आकाशाला घर माहिती नाही असं आहे का, ठिकाणा माहिती नाही असं आहे का. तसं तुम्ही जे ज्ञान म्हणून काय आहात त्याला काय माहिती नाही असेल, काय माहिती आहे असेल चला.
Maharaj said, the question was, he said Jivatma and Paramatma. What Maharaj said, is it something like that? Maharaj said Jivatma and Paramatma is just two words you have picked up. But do you know what the words are? What that which the words represent, that you don't find out. You merely stick to two words. So he said, now, whatever is, we only think from the point of view of the other side. That is the happening or unhappening, the contrary. So he says, where there is neither presence nor absence, how will you know that? The subject will know an object, but the subject will not know itself.
The eye can see, but the eye cannot see the seeing part of it. So he says, so long as you consider yourself an object, then the difficulty arises. But you are the subject. Therefore, what the consciousness is, how can you put your finger on it? You are that consciousness. So you are the subject. How can you find yourself? He says, you can't find that.
जीवात्मा थोडासा आपण जीवात्मा म्हणजे अल्पसा आपण आणि परमात्मा सगळाच आपण परमात्मा सगळाच आपण परमात्मा आणि जीवात्मा म्हणजे थोडासा आपण मला पण
when we think in terms of a part of the whole, then I think in terms of the Jivatma. The Paramatma is the entire whole. So I am the whole and the part, but a part which cannot be taken out of the whole, a part which remains in the whole.
पुष्कळ ज्ञान नाही ज्ञान आहे आणि थोडस ज्ञान आहे आणि मुदत आहे मुदत इथे अनुमान म्हणून थोडस ज्ञान आहे
So essentially, basically, there is no difference. But that which is, to which that word Paramatma has been given, when it is entrenched in the body, it assumes a temporality. The wholeness Paramatma is intemporal. But when it is in the body, it has acquired a temporal nature. It has a span, it has a time limit. And therefore it is Jivatma. That is the length of the body. As soon as the body is over, the life breath leaves, and what is known as Jivatma merges in the Paramatma.
परमात्मा मध्ये सत्य प्रतिज्ञा स्वरूप सत्य प्रतिज्ञा स्वरूप परमात्मा आणि हे तुमचा हंगामात्मा आपण अमका तमका मनाला त्याची नाव ठेवलेली आणि आकाराच्या काळाने मोडलेला हा आकार किती दिवस म्हणजे आयुष्य परमात्माला आयुष्य नाही आकाराचा स्पर्श नाही परंतु ते परमात्मा आणि तुम्ही दोन नाही अगदी अगदी कोणासाठी मला काय विचारायचं निर्भीड बोला
परमात्मा आकार घेऊन जीवात्मा का परमात्मा आकार घेऊन जीवात्मा का
कारण नाही अकारण कारण परमात्मा स्वरूपाने स्वतः होईला नाही आत्मा होते म्हणजे होईना आहे आपण आहे वा नाही पण परमात्मा स्वरूपाने आपण आहे वा नाही काय आहे असं नाही असेल काय बरोबर आणखी काय विचार ते वाक्य सांगा असं
The question was, why does Paramatma, which is whole, limit itself in the body as a part? Maharaj said there is no reason for it. It just happens. But when in the Paramatma, there is awareness of only awareness. There is no awareness of existence. As soon as the awareness of existence comes, then there is a duality, and then its manifestation in various forms turns up. But as Paramatma itself, there is no awareness other than its own awareness, but not the awareness of existence, of being, existing. That consciousness is not there.
तुम्ही बोला साहेब काळजी काय बोलो मला ते समजते
Now, fearlessly, talk without inhibitions. Say.
Relation of understanding to being itself, because being itself exists in an animal as well as in a human being. So it is only a human being who is using his understanding who can come to be aware of his being in a way in which nothing else can. So what is the peculiarity of the nature of this understanding?
मनुष्य प्राण्याला सोडून दुसऱ्या कुठल्या प्राण्याला हे जाणणं शक्य होत नाही. तर ते माणूस जे हे जाणतो आणि ते दुसरा प्राणी जाणू शकत नाही, हे असं वैशिष्ट्य काय, स्पेशल हे काय आहे?
चैतन्याचे आकार तसे बनतील तसे न कंदाचे ज्ञान असेल. आमच्याकडे बघा लाखो माणसं आहेत, प्रत्येकाची आकार किती अंतर्यामी बनले ते वेगवेगळे असल्यामुळे प्रत्येकाची लेवल स्वभाव अगदी वेगवेगळा. जिंदत तीच आहे. जन्म ज्याच्याने होतो ते जिंदत तीच आहे. जन्म झाल्यानंतर ही फरक काय तो आठवतो. विसरून आहे, कातर आहे, आमचा सगळं मिळत नाही. पण प्रत्येकाची गुंडलपा वेगळं आहे. त्याच एकच आहे बुद्धमामध्ये. तसेच आकार घटनाची होते ती किती एका दिवसामध्ये होते. जन्म निर्मिती होते एका निमिषामध्ये. तसे तापलेला तवा खाली आग पेटते आहे आणि वरतीचं पीठ टाकले त्याने पोळी बनवायला आणि त्याला छिद्र पडतात. आता ती छिद्र एकावर ठेवले पोळीचं एका खाली एक येणार नाही, आजूबाजूला असते. हे जसं कोणाला स्वतः केला करता येणार नाही. छिद्राखाली छिद्र तसं ईश्वर शक्तीला एकासारखे सगळे बनवतात कधी येणार.
Maharaj said the answer is, he gives a typical example. You have a certain amount of dough. It is the same dough. But when it is put in the frying pan, a certain pancake comes. Then you have a number of pancakes. He said the number of dents in these pancakes, one will not tally with another. The material is the same, but the form will be different. So it's the same thing as far as the other manifestations, human forms are concerned, or any other forms of creation. And he says, whatever form has been created, that particular material, this jnana, that is the knowledge I am, or that depends on the quality of the material that is in that particular form. And those forms will be of any number of permutations and combinations. One will not be like another. But the material is the same.
18 जणांची सगळ्यात फार महत्वाची तुम्हाला कोण खातो आहे आकाश. 18 जणांची कमाई भरी वाईट काय असते. आकाशाला कडून तो तिखट आंबट काय सगळंच वाला. आणखी परमात्मा जो आहे त्या परमात्माचा प्रकाश आकाश आहे.
He said, whatever is produced by the manifested creatures, whatever is produced, destroyed, whatever is done, all kinds of action, ultimately they are absorbed by the sky, by the space. And he says, space is the light of consciousness.
आकाशाचे लाईटचे बनलेले अणु कोट्यावधी तारे नक्षत्रे तसे तुम्ही आम्ही प्राणी. आकाशात बनलेले तारे अणु, पण हे आकाशात बनलेले तारे अणु गुणाचे आहेत. त्याच्यामध्ये प्रकाश आणि ज्ञान हा गुण आहे आणि चैतन्य तर आहे.
The common factor is the consciousness. But whatever is produced in the space, including the stars or the other manifestations on the earth, the common denominator is consciousness.
कभी कभी अंतर्योगी अंके समजे प्रयास करते हैं, पण आणखी आपण सुद्धा काय करतो आपल्याकडचा कोण विचार करत नाही. लोकांना जाते घर घर बांधताय इंडियन लोक कल्पनेच्या सिद्धीवर. कोणती सिद्धी आहे ते स्वतःच्या तापाची ना. त्याला जेवढं तापवावं तेवढं तापवावं त्याप्रमाणे त्याच्यात स्वयंपाक तुमचं जेवढं आणखी पकवावं आणखी पकवावं आणखी पकवावं आणखी जाळावं आणखी त्याच्यात उत्तम स्वाद. ते कच्चं राहिलं तर खावं तुमचा आणि अजीर्ण होतो. असाच त्याचा स्वभाव आहे. पण चैतन्य म्हणजे तुमच्या जाणलेला ओळखा. चैतन्याला आकार नाही, चैतन्य म्हणून प्राणाला आकार नाही, वाच्याला आकार नाही. आता तुमची वाचा तुमच्या वाच्याच्या अर्थाने गुंडाळली जाते. तुमच्या शब्दाचा जो अर्थ वाहतो आहे त्याच्यामध्ये तुम्ही बांधला जर मी तुम्हाला बंधन आहे असं आत्मसाला भक्त शिल्लक काय राहतं शेवटी तुम्ही आम्ही आता आहोत वागतो हे पडल्यानंतर आम्ही शिल्लक काय राहतो ही शिल्लक काय आहे काढल्याशिवाय तुम्हाला मुक्ती कशी मिळणार चिंता कशी दूर होणार भय कसं नष्ट होणार शिल्लकच काय राहत नाही मग चिंता कशाची करणार
Maharaj said, Japi, Tapis, Hate Yogi, they are all striving extremely hard to achieve something. But they don't realize what it is that is really trying to achieve, what they think they are trying to achieve. He says it is this consciousness and nothing else. And consciousness is, the nature of consciousness is such that anything that it is employed with persistence, that consciousness will yield. He said whatever the finest achievements in the world are done by specialists who have concentrated all their attention and being in the consciousness towards a particular aim. And the nature of consciousness is to give you anything that you want. He said that is why all the achievements are based on consciousness. But man does not try to understand what this consciousness is. And he said the one who has understood the consciousness, and earlier he had explained, that is the life force, that is the energy, and then the Vacha Shakti and the Jnana Shakti. Other than that, there is nothing that is consciousness and the body as a unit. There is nothing other than these three. And he said at the end of it, when the body dies or body is destroyed and the life force mixes with the air and the consciousness becomes impersonal consciousness, he said, who is dead, what is lost, and if there is nothing that remains, why should one worry about anything? But the nature of this consciousness and the trinity that is existing, the nature of it must be clearly understood.
प्रत्येक जण तुमच्या समजुतीप्रमाणे प्रयत्न करा प्रत्येक जण
Let questions.
पण ज्ञान गोष्टीवर करा
He said, please ask questions according to
ज्ञान आणि हालचाल म्हणजे चैतन्य याच्याबद्दल बोला.
He said, the nature of consciousness is movement. Movement in any form. He said, understanding this, ask any questions that your concepts may create. And understanding this basic factor, that is the consciousness.
आता हे शिल्पी आहे व्यापार ज्ञान होते तेव्हा वैराग्याची भाषा दाखवतात मी सांगतो तसं काय करू नका कारण त्याच्यावर व्यापार खूप करायचं आणखी वाढवा कारण तुमच्याही व्यापार व्यापाराची आठवण काही शिल्लक राहणार नाही तुम्ही असण्याची आठवण राहणार नाही आणि व्यापाराची आठवण काही शिल्लक खूप करायचं आळस करू नका तुम्हाला नाराज करायचं आम्हाला का तुमची कल्पना आहे ना जी असं केलं म्हणजे असं होणार नाही असं कल्पनेचा असं आणला कल्पनेच्या सुखाशिवाय तुम्हाला सुख दुःख नाही.
Maharaj says any happiness or unhappiness is only to be experienced in consciousness. Now he gives an instance. He says here is an industrialist who has thoughts of renunciation. But Maharaj tells him, there should be no question of any thinking about renunciation. He says whatever industry that you are doing or whatever you are trying to achieve is being achieved because of concepts which arise in the consciousness. Therefore, don't strangle it. Continue your efforts for production. Do all that you do on the full understanding that the end of it all, there will be nothing remaining, neither you as an individual nor your achievements as an individual. Understanding that, put all your energy in whatever your normal vocation is. So don't be idle. Don't let idleness take over.
मला अडचण म्हणून जो आहे त्या गोष्टीने देहाचा आपटपणाचा हो मुख्य अडचण आहे. मग देहाचा आपटपणा अर्थ तुम्हाला आहे तसे देहाचे आपटा म्हणून जे कोणी असतील हो त्याच्यापेक्षा व्यवसाय.
Having said this, Maharaj said, what is the difficulty? He said, difficulty is only one thing. That if you consider achievements as achievements done in concepts and consciousness, there is no difficulty. The difficulty arises if you identify yourselves with the work done and the achievement. So that is the identification with the body, which you have known for so long that you have a special feeling for that body. And those you consider as your own, which is further development of the body, is even dearer to you than your own body.
I would like to submit a retreat of the master. The earlier question put by one of my friends here, that man alone can realize because he has the viveka and vichara. But this is my thinking, since every living cell has consciousness, since we do not understand their method of thinking or intelligence level of understanding, man has always claimed that he is the highest of the creation and he alone can achieve that absoluteness. I feel that every living cell is a manifestation of Godhead, and therefore the question of man being supreme does not.
त्यांचं म्हणणं असं की हे सांगितल्यामध्ये
चौऱ्याऐंशी दोन्ही
हो
उत्पत्ती
हो
उत्पत्ती संख्या किती
84 लक्ष येऊन
आता कोण 2 पायाचे हाताच्या जोडून घालले 4 पायाचे ते सोपत नाही आमचं आहे याचा निकाल कसा तुम्ही लावला तो मनसा प्राण्याला आता उपलब्ध मिळाली आहे आणि त्याच्यातून आपण ज्या कल्पना विचार आणि ज्ञान वाहते आहे म्हणून बाकीच्या आपल्याला तसं वाहत नाही जागतिक आहे पण आकलाचं बरोबर नाही.
Maharaj says, now the basic material, the consciousness is the same. But how does the consciousness, that is the mind which is the content of consciousness, how does it work? It can only work according to what is known to it. What is known to the lower creatures is only the basic requirement, that is the physical requirement. It is only man who has from early age been thinking of and has been given ideas about higher ideas other than merely the physical aspect of living. Therefore, in the other cases, it is what is lacking is that particular form in which the consciousness has manifested. And it is a human form in which the consciousness has manifested itself that gives it the fillip to think of higher principles and ideas. He said, man is able to go into, to fly and go to the moon. There is no other, no reptile can even think because the mind is limited. That mind of that particular form is limited to a certain extent.
पत्नी होते तेव्हा त्याचा डोळ्याबरोबर त्याला अकल्पना हाताला येते त्याला लिंग द्यायचं म्हटलं तर लिंग द्या सूक्ष्म मध्ये जो आकार तो तोच आतमध्ये आहे आणि त्याच्या बाहेर हे करायला जोडलेला आहे पण त्याची वागणूक जी होणार आहे त्या सूक्ष्म देहावरच होणार त्या सूक्ष्म देहाला बाहेर असा आकार म्हणजे उडून जातो मरून जातो स्वल्पात करतो याला असा करायला तेव्हा त्याचं सोडून तुम्हाला हवं तर करा तुमचा अनुभव म्हणजे काय आणि त्याची तारीख मिती आहे तुमच्या अनुभवाची तारीख मिती आहे मग तिथे तुम्ही ठाण माना तिथे ठेवून घ्या पक्का पत्ता कसं काय आहे तो नंतर बाकी सगळ्या गोष्टी आपल्या सुट्टी त्यांना गोष्टी जास्त सुटली नाही तर किती ज्ञान जरी असणार तरी त्याच्या शब्दाच्या अर्थाचं बंधन आहे तुम्हाला अनुभव घ्यावा लागला स्वतःच्या शब्दाच्या अर्थाचं बंधन आहे त्याच्याही बांधायचा आहे म्हणणार त्याला तो विचार आवडला ते करणार बरोबर आहे हे मनाला कोणी भाग बदलून गेला त्याच्या शब्दाचा अर्थ मनाच्या अर्थाने मनाला सुद्धा भाग पडला आहे लावलाय
That which cannot die now firmly believes that it is going to die. So how has this fear of death crept in? How has it come in? He said it is nothing but a concept. The fear is based on the concept. The concept that he has been born and that he must die and that he is going to die. Therefore he said it is the bondage of the concept based on words. That is thoughts. This is what is the actual bondage from which one seeks liberation. Now earlier he had said that there are 84 lakhs of different yonis. Now as soon as any conception takes place in any of those 84 lakhs of yonis, he says that there is a sort of a causal body on which the print has been made at the time of conception about the entire birth. That is, from the birth to the nature of the form that it is going to take. Nature of the form, the nature of its working. So nobody tells a bird how to fly, nobody tells a worm to crawl, but it is all in the conception itself, on which there is a stamp has been made. And that is the nature of the material which is conceived. So now he said, all that one has to do, and without which nothing can be attained, is to find out your source and take your sthana, he says, headquarters, establish yourself in that knowledge, the knowledge of your source. Because unless one knows one's source, how can we proceed to achieve anything else?
कोणी पण आम्ही कशाचा गिरायक असतो, आपण नाही हा जिवंतपणा केला. आता गिरायक म्हणतो त्याचा ग्रह आणि जो ग्रह त्याचा असेल त्याचा आग्रह म्हणजे गिरायक. आणि हा तो मन या शब्दाच्या अर्थाचा परिणाम आहे. आज मला मी आत्मिकता करणार कोणी सांगितलं तो असण्याचा जो ग्रह आपण आहे असं त्याचा जो अर्थ निघाला आहे काय, आणि त्या ग्रह कोण मारता याला त्याच्या मनाचा अर्थ.
Maharaj said, what is man the customer of? Then he said, anyone is a customer of that which one wants. Then anything one wants, one persists in making efforts to get what one wants. And thereby the man becomes a customer of a particular thing. Now how does one come to the conclusion that one wants something? It comes only out of the mind. And the mind is a concept. Out of the mind comes the concept, and the concept is based on words. Words are based on thoughts.
मनाचा आग्रह आणि निग्रह दोघांचा अर्थ मला सांगा. आग्रह आणि निग्रह या दोन वाक्याचा अर्थ मला सांगा. आग्रह म्हणजे
आग्रह म्हणजे काय? आग्रह म्हणजे मला काहीतरी पाहिजे, आणि निग्रह म्हणजे मला काहीतरी नको आहे. पाहिजे नको म्हणलं
तसं नाही. नक्की झालं तो निग्रह.
Maharaj asked me the meaning of Agraha and Nigraha. My Marathi is not my. So I construed it as this way. I said Agraha is something which I want, and Nigraha is something which I don't want. For so Maharaj corrected you by saying that Agraha is something I want, and Nigraha is my determination to have it. I shall have it.
पण ही लीला कोणाची चालते आहे? भारतच म्हणा त्याचा तुम्हाला निवाडा व्हायला तुम्ही जन्मस्थान जाऊन बैठून मारता.
He said whether this something desired, the objective, and the determination to have it, where do they arise? He said they can only arise in consciousness. So again Maharaj goes back. He said find out where that consciousness has come from. Find out the source of it and remain there.
कुठे जेव्हा तुम्ही बैठक म्हणून तुम्हाला त्याचं ज्ञान होईल.
Everything of this and nothing of that is mine. We have given an example of this whatever comes and the persistence. So he says suddenly a man decides that I want to commit suicide. So Maharaj said, ask him, who told you that you want to commit suicide? then if you, on analysis I find that is the determined conclusion he has come out of a concept, for which I again go back to the concept based on words and on thought. And thoughts mean consciousness. So again one comes back to consciousness. So he said, find out the source of the consciousness. Yes, he had gone little further. He said, finally, who is strangulating you? Who is killing you? The very meaning of the concept which you are embracing. I want to kill myself. So that has arisen in you as a sort of a concept. So the meaning of that only is going to kill you. Therefore Maharaj says, you go to that very source. Because the concept itself is killing you. So from where the concept is coming? Concept is coming from that primary concept I am. So you get rid of that. Try to understand what that primary concept I am is. Therefore he says, go to the source, put your headquarters there, camp there, investigate there, and get rid of that I am concept.
तिथे तुम्ही जाऊन पोहोचणार करायचं तुम्ही पाहिलं तुम्हाला दोन दिवशी त्याच्या इकडे वेगवेगळ्या उंदराचे घाम वेगवेगळ्या उंदराच्या अंगावरती जोडाचा पदार्थ आणि तो तिथे आहे त्याचा वास येतोय आणि त्याचा वास म्हणजे माझा वास असं मी मानतोय आणि तुम्ही घाम आहे पण रोजच्या सवय त्याची आवडीच घालली त्याला एक उदाहरण माझ्या विकलाला बाया फेसतात माझ्या विषयी आलं संध्याकाळ आलं मग या शेतीचा बनवान बगीचा तिथं होत पाण्याकडे सांगितलं आम्हाला पाण्याकडे मालकाने बनवान घेतली मालकाने स्वयंपाक घालूच आहे पण आता सगळ्यांना तिथे 5-50 बाया होत्या ना ते सगळं सुगंध फुलाचा झोप काय नाही मग त्या माशाच्या डोक्यावर कपडा होता तो नाका ठेवायचा म्हणतो अशा प्रकारे जेव्हा तुमच्या ओळखा तेव्हा
Maharaj says, what he goes a step further. He said, when you establish yourself in that source which is of your consciousness, he said, what will happen? He said, what will happen is this, that one will realize that what one materially is no different from the rotting body of a dead rat. One does not relish the smell which comes from the body of the dead rat, but one relishes the suchness of this feeling that I am. Basically they are the same. Why do I like this, my beingness, the nature of that? Only because I am used to it. Only because I am used to it. But basically they are both the identity, they are no different. And that I shall realize when I establish myself firmly. Maharaj gives a very nice example. He said there are some fishermen who, after having sold their fish, they couldn't go back to the village. It was too late. So they found a large bungalow. So the 40-50 fishermen, they went to the bungalow and requested the watchman. He said, will you ask the owner to let us stay somewhere in the corner, in the garden? We won't create any mischief. We'll remain early morning, we'll go. So they said, with the time said, he said, yes, let them stay. So they went to bed. Then what happened is, he said, instead of the usual smell of the fish, which they are used to, they had this lovely smell of the flower. But the smell of the flowers was very lovely for others. For them, it was a totally new thing, and it wouldn't let them get any sleep. So they had to sleep. So what did they do? They took a piece of cloth which they had used to cover the fish which they had sold. So then they took that piece of cloth, put it on their faces, and they had the smell which they were used to. Then they went to sleep very peacefully.
जगाची सवय लागली आहे ती सवयच पाहिजे तर
it is only something which we are used to that we keep on liking.
आता आत्ता मी सगळं आत्ता पण आया शेळकेने प्रभाच्या मला नेलं नंतर प्रभाचं जेवण घेतो नंतर ते निघाल ते आपल्या घरी गेलो चटणी जेव्हा भाकरी जेव्हा दोन तुकडे खाल्ले तेव्हा त्याने निर्णय जाऊ कमी कमी 5-5 जमायचा होतं त्याला 8 मांडायच्या जेवणाचा दोन भाकरी आणि ती चटणी खाल्ली
He said, Setji may like some of his workers to share what he has had. So he takes them and gives them a wonderful meal, very expensive meal, to which he likes. So he can only go by what he likes. So they had it. They on the face of it they said they thanked Setji. He said very good, thank you very much for a very good meal. Then they went home and what did they do? They had some very rough bread and some chutney. And they had a few pieces of the chutney and they very hot bread. Very hot chutney. They had a few pieces only they feel that they have had a meal. Without that they wouldn't have felt happy because that is what they are used to.
आता आम्हाला कृष्ण वेळा ध्यान लागतं बरोबर तो पण सवय ह्या ज्या सवय झाल्या आहेत त्या सवय तू ठेवतानाच पुन्हा तेच कर्म करावं म्हणजे तेव्हा बरं वाटतं ना मी मला फोन करून होतो ना मी त्याला भेटून केली होती पुन्हा त्याच्या गोष्टी बघायच्या सांगितलं असं केलं होतं त्याला चैन पण नाही व्यवहार कोण आपला शब्द ठेवून देणे व्यवहार आपले वाचा ठेवून घेऊ वाचाच्या अर्थाचं बंधन करा ना तुम्ही काय केलं की तुमच्या वाचाच्या अर्थानं बंधन आहे ते मला काय हे पुनर्जन्माचं पुन्हा दुःखाचे कारण पुन्हा दुःखाचे कारण
I will repeat that what is the cause of bondage? He said the cause of bondage is the words. Meaning again, words which come from thoughts. So he says, and the thoughts and words and movement is the nature of consciousness. So if you are conscious, one has to work. Work or play or do something. The consciousness has to be entertained, but some way or another. So he said, rarely there will be a person who will sit quietly and let these words merge in his own consciousness and not let the words play havoc with him. He said, such a person will be a very rare one. And unless that is done, the bondage cannot be severed.
देवाच्या सवयी मोडण्याकरता साधना करावी लागते ज्ञानरूप त्याला सांगून देतो कारण त्या सवय मोडण्याकरता आता संबंध नाही बसले तेवढ्या विषय प्रेमे वाटतात उत्तम फेरा माझा तो मला थांबा म्हणा थोडा किंवा आमची वेळा पुन्हा कुठे त्याला काय सवय प्रेरणा नको आहे तुमच्या मंदिराचे अनुभव आहेत की म्हणून सगळं म्हणण्याकरता सात देवाने घेऊन हळूहळू शब्दापर्यंत जागलं शब्दापर्यंत जागलं म्हणजे शब्दाचा अर्थ आपण अंतर्यान बाहेर
So he said, the purpose of any sadhana as such is only to break these old habits of association with the body that is with words and thoughts. And the purpose of the sadhana is gradually these words get less and less, words and thoughts. And you go beyond words and you don't have to rely on the entertainment produced by the words for consciousness. He has given an example. He said, Shethji wants to distribute some sweetmeats. So he said, to certain people who are used to tobacco and chunai, he said, this sweetmeat won't do. He'll keep it aside. But he said, he wants to show that he appreciates the gesture. So he said, give me a little tobacco and chunai. That he later may express his satisfaction.
सवारुपाचं लावून घेतलं
We don't accept the expensive sweetmeat. We take the inexpensive china and tobacco. Because that is what he's used to.
Maharaj says that when you realize your true consciousness, there is freedom from fear of death. But this is, I think, my submission, that the realization of one's true consciousness could be much greater than just freedom from fear of death. There must be people in this world who are not afraid of death, but who have no idea of what their true virtues are.
म्हणजे म्हणणं असं की आपण सांगितलं की असं बसून याचा स्वरूप ज्ञान झालं मग मरणाची भीती राहत नाही. पण हे म्हणतात की मरणाची भीती न राहणं एवढंच का? तर थोडे असतील म्हणाले की त्यांना मरणाची भीती नाही, पण त्यांचं स्वरूप ज्ञान झालेलं नाही. त्यांना स्वरूप ज्ञान झालेलं नाही, पण मरणाची भीती नाही.
हा एक धैर्याचा निगळपणा, त्यांच्या धैर्याचा निगळपणा म्हणून ते ज्ञान नाही.
त्याचं म्हणणं ते मरणाचं भीती नाही.
आपण हे ज्ञान हा कशाचा गुण आहे चांगलं ज्ञान आपण हा साखरेचा कडू तिखट पदार्थाचा गुण तसं काय म्हणजे आपल्याला सत्व गुण हा कशाचा आणि काय आहे ते ओळखलं पाहिजे. आणि सत्वाचा गुण म्हणजे मी आणि माझं नाही.
I agree, but that is one of the, he gave it as a symptom, not the be-all and end-all of realization. He gave it an instant. So he said, now to find out the way to one's true nature, one must understand, now he said, the sweetness in sugar, or the sourness in the lemon, that is its basic nature, call it suchness if you will. So he said, find that, what from this beingness, this consciousness, what is it the nature of? What is it of which this I amness is the nature, the essence? That means find out the source of consciousness. Only then you reach the knowledge of the knowledge.
गोडीचं नाव साखर. साखर हे गोडीचं नाव आहे. तसं याच्यामध्ये असलेले सत्वाचा गुण आहे. आणि कारण की तो जाणत्याचा नव्हे. सत्व म्हणजे जाणत्याचा गुण नव्हे आणि सत्वाचा गुण म्हणजे तो नव्हे.
So he said, but sugar is merely a name given to sweetness. So he said, this consciousness is the nature of something, that is Sattva Guna. But it is not the nature of the knower of this consciousness. So that has to be understood thoroughly, and then that is Swarupa Jnana.
ऊस नावाची वनस्पती आणि ती नंतर त्याच्यातून सत्व काढले त्याला नाव साखर आणि गोडी. तसं त्याच्यामध्ये आहे हे पंचमुखी मटेरियल आहे. याच्यामध्ये जी गोडी आहे ती गोडी तुझ्या आत्मप्रेमाचं झालेलं आहे, पण तू त्याचा साक्षी आहे.
Maya gives you confusion. He says this, we have the sugar cane. From the sugar cane juice.
वनस्पतीचाच आहे.
No, and which is refined, and the sugar is made. But basically it is still vanaspati. That is the sugar cane. So now this ionness is also the nature or the suchness, as I said, of the five elements which are refined ultimately into the essence of the food essence, which is the body. But I am neither the body nor the consciousness. That is to be understood.
आणि विषय सोडून बघा हे जे ऐकायला आलं तो विषय सोडून वेगळाच गेलो का बघा. त्यांना काय विषय ऐकायचा आहे तो माना.
So he said, in case you feel that Maharaj has been talking this morning about something on which you did not want him to talk, you bring up a subject on which you want Maharaj to talk. Maharaj is talking. He says, is he talking on something totally different from what you have in mind? The subject. So if so, then he says, bring up your own subject.
Maharaj said earlier that when the body mind ceases, or when the mind dies, everything merges into impersonal consciousness. If I accept that of a person like myself, But it is my submission that a man who has realized his true source, even when it dies, cannot be destroyed by that impersonal consciousness. Impersonal consciousness. Maharaj says, when the body mind ends, and a man dies, it is only matters you define it, but definitely also appears through impersonal consciousness. Well, I accept that of a man like myself, or every man, but of a man who has realized he was not so like open. I say that when the body mind, which is my submission, that when the body mind ends, then the body dies. He does not disappear into impersonal consciousness. No, but he continues to be personal. He can, but why don't you put the question? But he is who? The Jnani. Yes. Jnani is understood. Is it embodied?
यांचं म्हणजे असं आपण जे सांगितलं की ज्ञानी remains, but his consciousness does not remain.
ज्ञान या पंचभूताचा कशाचा गुणधर्म आहे तत्वाचा त्याचा ज्ञानाचा रूप नको ज्ञानाला मूळ नाही आचरण नाही विसर नाही हेला नाही जाणार नाही काळा नाही ठिवळ नाही ज्ञान याच्यामध्ये सर्वदा घडलं जातं
Jnana will disappear. But Jnani will remain all the time because Jnani has been there before the Jnana came. And he has been there and he continues to remain even when this Jnana, this knowledge has temporarily come and gone.
कोणी बोलणार नाही अद्भुत गोष्ट बोललेलं तुला खपणार आणि ज्ञान कसा असतो 100 वर्षापूर्वी होताना
Maharaj said,
ज्ञान राहतो कसा आणि असतो कसा 100 वर्षापूर्वी तुम्ही होता कसा
he said, you have a curiosity about what is Jnani. He says he will give it to you in one sentence. Jnani is exactly what you were 100 years ago.
कसं होतं सांगा 100
years ago.
जाण भूक झाड झोप काय कसे
You have any needs.
देवधर्म काय होतं
You can have needs of any kind. Physical needs, moral needs, medical, anything. Well, Jnani is exactly like that. He doesn't have any memory, he doesn't have any thoughts, he doesn't have to come, he doesn't have to go.
थोडा प्रश्न जाऊ
Proceed. Jnana is not about
ज्ञानाचा
Jnana. The knowledge gets gone, but not the knower, that is not the Jnani.
ज्ञान नव्हे ज्ञानी विज्ञान म्हणजे ज्ञान नव्हे ते
The absolute is not relative. Absolute is not what is manifested. Absolute is not consciousness.
ब्रह्म ईश्वर परंतु ज्ञानी परब्रह्म एका गुण नाही रूप नाही प्रकार काय बसणारे ब्रह्म मी आहे वा नाही
God is all powerful, he can do anything, he can take millions of forms. But the Jnani, the absolute, is without any form, he doesn't even know here whether he exists or does not exist. There is no feeling, there is no question of